Once you open your box of Natural Plus, you'll realise it's not just another teeth whitening kit. In fact, it contains all the components to complete a Hollywood smile makeover in just under 2 weeks. Firstly, within the kit you get your very own thermoformed dental whitening trays, and these are moulds that would make your whitening tray to fit your teeth, customisable. You get a Natural Plus medium bristle toothbrush, and that should be used in conjunction with the very important Power Prep toothpaste, which you would use before every whitening treatment. And this desensitises the nerves of the tooth, it opens up the enamel prisms, and this allows the deep penetration of the whitening gel. With that comes the Natural Plus floss, which you must do, shade guide and vanity mirror on the back, so you can take a shade guide before you start the whitening process and then measure the improvements in shade as you go. The all-important Natural Plus unique 6% stabilised hydrogen peroxide in a constant dose calibrated syringe. Now it comes in a wrapper like that, but in fact that's what the syringe looks like. And that syringe is enough to carry out between 10 and 12 treatments. It's 7 mils, and depending on how many teeth you actually want to whiten. You get a number 5 nourishing and soothing balm for use after whitening, and then a carry case to put your whitening trays in once you've rinsed and washed them. Firstly, use the Power Prep toothpaste and brush for 2 minutes as you would do normally. Then take the Natural Plus gel syringe, remove the top, remove the cap, and unlock the very, very top of the syringe by turning it clockwise. The syringe is now activated and open. Now here is a customisable whitening tray that I've made for myself earlier. All we do is we press down the top of the unique calibrated syringe, and this will basically measure 1 exact droplet for each tooth impression in the tray. As you press down, there you can see the drop, and that goes in the bottom of the tooth impression. You press down again, look, an exact amount of whitening gel you place the side, the bottom of the tooth impression, and then really you just drag up the side. So I'll do it again for you. You press down, place that in the bottom of the tooth impression, come up the side, and you're leaving the droplet of the unique gel in each tooth impression. And you repeat that for as many teeth as you want to whiten. I'll do that once again for you. Press down from the top, 1 exact measurement in the tooth impression, up the side. 1 drop. Can you see that on the black? Look, it won't come off. 1 drop into a tooth impression, drag that up the side, release at the top. Do it there so you can see against the black. 1 drop. There it is. Can you see that? I'm wearing white so it won't help. Place that in the tooth impression. Come up.